Now let's see how we can use the threshold adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with that, I'm in the expert mode and I have a photo opened up. So if I were to go around under the layers panel over here, if I were to click on it, then you can see that threshold is an option. So what the threshold does is it converts the picture into black and white. That is complete black and white. As you can see, there's no gray portions, but everything is converted into the darkmost part and the brightmost part, and you get an exact black and white picture right here. You can go around and increase and decrease the threshold right here, just like this, to get the range that you want as well. And the thing about this is that you can also go around and then use multiply right here, and you can see that the threshold is applied onto the actual picture as well. You can go around and lighten it out over here as well, so that the bright part becomes completely white right here. You can work around with the opacity of the level of effect over here as well, and work around with the threshold effect. So that is how you can work around with the threshold adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.